This morning, Steph's gone to Fife for us to look at the picture there behind the numbers. Morning, Steph.
Good morning to you. Morning, everyone. It's a busy old workshop here at BiFab. It's a company that makes oil rig platforms. You can see here just one of the bits of steel that's been made up ready to go out in the North Sea, and the guys this morning are welding the bits together to make these nodes. Now, this is a business that employs around 800 people, but they're hoping to increase that to over 1,000 by Christmas, and it's a business that's helping the jobs market here in Scotland. And I just want you to have a look at these graphs because they just show what's been going on recently. You can see from this graph what's been happening with overall UK unemployment since the financial crisis in 2008 and how much it's risen over that time, rising recently again in the last figures we've had. But then if you compare that to the different nations in the United Kingdom, you can see that at the moment in the UK there are around 2.52 million people out of work. That's around 7.8% of the working age population. In Scotland, that figure is around 7.3%. So it's a bit lower than that national UK average. And that is around 200,000 people out of work. And then in Wales, it's been falling a bit there as well, but it's still very high when you look at that average figure. It's around 8.2%, which is about 121,000 people. So there's an interesting movement in those figures. And this is a business which is helping, as I say, the jobs market here in Scotland. And we can talk now to one of the directors of this company, BiFab, Martin. Good morning to you, Martin.
Good morning.
Tell us a bit about how things have improved. Okay, well, Martin, thank you very much for your time this morning. I'm going to be talking to some of those apprentices a bit later on as well. And we're going to bring a few more guests down just to talk about what's going on in the wider picture in the UK. But for now, back to you.
All right, Steph, thanks very much indeed.
22 minutes.